Yo, what is going on? We back with another banger video, and today we got a crazy mod for the car. I've been waiting for this for 3 months and it's finally here. Let me show you real quick. It is from Dynaperformance, as you can see, and we do got some, partnership with them. So check it out. Use my code AJP Streets. Bro, look how clean this is. It's carbon. This is probably one of the favorite mods I'm gonna be doing. But look at this. Carbon, then I have the red carbon on the thumb rest, and then we have the racing stripe, and then it is the digital one. So that thing's gonna light up. But we're gonna do an install on it, and I'm gonna show you everything about it when we have it set up. But there's gonna be 2 videos. I'm gonna do an installation video on that, and then I'm just gonna show you how to put it on. But this is just gonna be a quick video on the new mod. So let's hop right into it. All right, guys, so we're gonna install the steering wheel real quick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop that steering wheel off. The airbag is out. Now it's time for the fun part. So hey, look, this thing's gonna be crazy, bro. All right, let's put it on. So we got both sides done, and that's back is done. Now we gotta do all this mess in the middle. And here we go. We're gonna tighten it now. Honestly, I'm gonna just wing it. Hopefully it turns on at the end. Let's plug these in. That clips in there. There we go. All right. Time to tighten this to the point where it's super hard. Okay. Yo, hold on. We're gonna do it like. We're gonna do it like this. All right. My god, this thing is looking beautiful, bro. Let's plug in the airbag. Hopefully this bitch don't blow up. Yo. They're located in Taylor, South Carolina. Check them out. He hooked me up. He got this settled and we're good. I have white, then it goes blue and red. So look at that, we got it on. So I was having issue with the airbag yesterday. So what happened was I got one side clicked in, and then the left side wasn't clicking in for some reason. And even when I went to the shop, they were having a really hard time. And I mean, like, it was crazy. It was so annoying. Like, we couldn't get it. And then finally, it took another hour over there to pop it in, but it was such a mess. But dude, this looks so good. So I have these carbon overlay for this part right here. So I'm gonna put that on real quick, and then let me show you. But dude, that looks beautiful. It is so amazing. So next is paddle shifters. We're probably gonna get the red carbon, so it'll look like this with black plus and minus in it. I'm gonna put these on real quick, and then I'm gonna show you. Boom, there you go. So we got that on there. Look how that looks. Looks pretty clean, and that's complete. We're gonna do something with the middle, maybe. I'll do SRT, we'll see. But yeah, let's turn it on. Cold start. So the way I have mine set up now, they go red. They go blue. So blue on these bottom 2, then it goes white on these 2, and then red, and then it flashes red, all of them, when you hit the higher RPMs. I'm gonna let it warm up, and then I'll show you. I'm gonna give you a quick POV in this. do need to slow down. So cool. So to do the sequential, like where if you do left blinker, it'll go in sequential. I need to figure it out how to do it, because the mode is in here in the settings. Let's see. Oh shoot. Oh, I'll do it in a minute. Let me change it back to miles per hour. Bro, what are you doing, bro? People don't know how to drive. Like, pisses me off. Oh, we're gonna stay in this lane. So, let me see. Turn, I think I have like purple one, but I just don't know how to turn it on. I'll have to contact Dyna for that, but turn would be something like magenta. So I have it as magenta, so it would go like that for turn, but I don't know. And then that is like the showcase mode or something. So when you go to the shows, it'll like, you can leave it on that and it'll keep doing its thing. And that's for the signal. That is the red line. Then this is my layout. So I have the blue, white, and red. And let's go back. Whoa. I hate touching that little digital pad on here. Because you see how it's like still flickering? I'm gonna change that RPM setting real quick. So we're gonna do that super fast. Dang, it's popping. That's the steering wheel. I'm in love with it. I love how the steering wheel came out. It's perfect. Exactly how I wanted it to be. Only thing we're missing is the pedals. But that's it. Y'all stay tuned, because we're gonna be doing some POV in this. And that's gonna be lit. Yeah.